Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the OLIXIS Ice Maker machine and the COWSAR Ice Maker countertop. Both machines promise to deliver fresh ice quickly and efficiently, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The OLIXIS Ice Maker is priced at $69, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable ice maker. In contrast, the COWSAR Ice Maker comes in at $109, which is $40 more expensive. While the COWSAR offers some additional features, the OLIXIS provides excellent value for those on a budget. Next, let's compare their ice production rates. The OLIXIS can produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, totaling 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. On the other hand, the COWSAR produces 8 ice cubes in the same time frame, with a similar daily output of 26.5 pounds. While both machines are efficient, the OLIXIS takes the lead with a faster production cycle. Finally, let's discuss portability. The OLIXIS weighs approximately 15.4 pounds, which may be a bit heavy for some users looking for a truly portable solution. In contrast, the COWSAR is lighter at around 11.75 pounds, making it easier to transport for camping or outdoor gatherings. If portability is a key factor for you, the COWSAR might be the better choice. In conclusion, both the OLIXIS and COWSAR ice makers have their strengths. The OLIXIS offers great value and faster ice production, while the COWSAR excels in portability and energy efficiency. Depending on your needs, either could be a fantastic addition to your kitchen or outdoor setup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.